Every corner is always the same. You set your entry speed, figure out your turn angle, and then you get back on the throttle. You don't want to slow down in the middle of a curve unless there's some sort of emergency, because the power going to the back wheel is what's holding the bike upright while you're trying to lean it over. One of the common things that mess people up when they're taking corners, alongside with target fixation, which if I hadn't posted that video already, I'll get around to posting it pretty soon, is taking the wrong line through a corner. And the one issue can compound the other. You know, if you get started a little bit wide, you can start looking at what you're headed towards and focus too much on that and start falling into that target fixation thing. So what you want to do is start on the outside, turn on purpose, you know, with a purpose, towards the inside. That way you don't start out swinging out wide and give yourself an excuse to look off at where you're not supposed to be going. Outside, inside, outside. Outside, inside, outside. That's not a hard and fast rule. There's a million different ways to skin a cat, but when you're just learning how to ride, that outside, inside, outside line through a curve will save you from getting yourself into trouble and making some beginner mistakes. You always, when you need to turn the bike, you want to be very purposeful about making that turn. I may be exaggerating just a little bit right now the way I'm riding, just for the sake of illustration, but you get the point.